Hey there everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about aftermarket key fobs for your S197 Mustang. Now I think we can all agree these keys and key fobs are kind of outdated. Mine is also broken off from the fob itself, but thankfully there's always an upgrade, and this S550 style key is pretty cool. It's a flip up key and it comes in uncut obviously. You need to go to your local locksmith or hardware store and have them cut it, and if you have two keys like I do, you can actually program this yourself, guys. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alrighty everyone, so to my understanding is you're going to want to have all the fobs you want to be able to lock and unlock your doors with. You're going to want to put your key in the ignition, turn it left to right 8 times. Don't turn the car on, but just, left to the on position 8 times, and that's going to put it in a reset mode. And you're going to want to hit the lock button on every key you want. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You heard that? There we go. Now we're gonna hit the lock button. That locked. That locked. That locked. That locked. They're programmed. That's literally it, guys. That programs it to the system. They still have to be cut to turn the car on. But here, that's it. Reset mode's done. Let's open the doors. Let's close them. Make sure we can do everything with this fob. It locks, pops my trunk, unlocks, and yep, we're good. Everything works. So I finally got the keys cut, went to my Ford dealer, and they did a great job. It was about maybe 15 a key or so to the dealership. All the hardware stores around were really giving me trouble, so I just went to the dealer and they got me taken care of. But I'm going to show you guys how to program it now that it's been cut. So I have programmed the fob, but you can't just, once it's been cut, you can't just stick it in and turn the car on. So I'm going to show you guys what to do for that and how to get the car running with the new key. So you're going to get your both stock keys, your OEM keys, put it in the ignition, turn it. Once you see that lock symbol at the bottom right, go away, take it out, do your next key. Wait for it to go away, and it went away. And then you're gonna do the 2 or however many the keys you have, the new ones. Wait for it to go away. All right, and then the last one, I don't know where I put it. There it is. And then the last one. Oh, did I not do it in time? Maybe the driver door is open, something it's not liking. Yeah guys, so I basically just redid what I did because the last one, it was acting funky, but now they're both starting. It's working great. But yeah, that's basically just how you program it yourself without having to pay somebody to do it for you if you have both the keys now. But yeah, as you guys can see, the key's working, we're driving, everything's great. And that's it, guys. It's really not that hard to do yourself versus having to go somewhere and just pay someone to do it all. I hope this was some tipful information for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.